Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the Coding Board. This is series of UI technologies and this is part 16. So let's begin the session. Today we are going to learn two tags. What are those? HTML heading tag and HTML paragraph tag. So let's understand heading tag first. Header tag is used to specify importance of the content. We have from H1 to H6 tags. Let me explain with code. See here, HTML opening and then HTML closing. Now we have opening head tag, closing head tag. Then we have opening body tag and closing body tag. Okay, here what I'm going to use, I'm going to use h1 tag, okay. See here, h2, h3 and here h4, h5 and h6. Content is the coding board. Okay, now see here, now our code is ready. Let's save the code and where I am going to save, this is heading tag .html file. Let me write it properly, heading tag .html file. Now let's execute the code. Understood? Let me increase the size for better understanding. See here, this is h1, this is h2, this is h3, this is h4, this is h5 and this is h6. Understood? What is the difference between h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6? Based on requirement we can use heading tag. Now let's move forward. Here h1 is the highest font. See here, h1 is the highest font. What is the font size? Size of the font is 36 pixel. Now h1 tag should be used only once in a web page. There will be only one big heading in any web page. For example, if we see Times of India newspaper, for example purpose I am taking one newspaper, Times of India. If you observe properly, then there will be only one heading in front page. There will be only one heading. What is that? Times of India. That heading is very big as compared to all other headings and content of that particular newspaper. Correct? Like that only, every web page should have only one h1 tag. Okay, means h1 tag should be used only once in a web page. Now every heading tag should be used in a sequence. We should use this tag in sequence. This is not compulsory, but this is standard practice, because suppose this is main topic, then this is subtopic, then this is subtopic, then this is subtopic, like this, correct? Now, paragraph tag. What is paragraph tag? Paragraph tag is used to display large volume of content. Paragraph tag is used to display large volume of content. One paragraph is what? One paragraph is set of multiple statements. So we can say that paragraph is one volume, one large volume of content. Now, paragraph tag is a HTML tag. Paragraph tag is a HTML tag using for creating a paragraph. Syntax is opening paragraph tag and closing paragraph tag. Now, paragraph tag occupy complete width of the web page. Let me show this with coding. See here, I am removing all, no, not all, remaining H2 to H6 heading tags. Now I am making use of paragraph tag, opening paragraph tag and closing paragraph tag. Hello friends, welcome to the coding board. This is series of UI technologies, correct? And this is 16th video. So here, how many sentences we have? Hello friends, welcome to the coding board. This is series of UI technologies and this is 16th video. So we can say that we have multiple statements within one paragraph. So paragraph is one large volume of content. Now I need to save this code and let's check the output. Okay, see here, the coding board is heading and hello friends, welcome to the coding board. This is series of UI technologies and this is 16th video. Now what I am doing, I am making use of another heading just for understanding purpose. Okay, slash h2, this is h2 h2 element. Let's save the code and refresh the page. Got it? Here after video I am not getting any this is h2 element. I am getting this is h2 element on next line. So this p tag, paragraph tag, is block level element. Okay, why? Because it occupies complete width of the page, hence paragraph tag is block level element because it occupies complete width of the web page. Understood? Now example, Example of paragraph tag. In paragraph is part of body, and within paragraph tag we have hello HTML, I am here. Let's take another p tag. Okay, opening and then closing. Paragraph is paired tag, it is not self closing tag. Okay, hello HTML, I am here. Let's save the code. Already I have saved using Control S. Now execute the code. Got it? This is one paragraph, this is one paragraph, and both paragraph tags are occupying complete width of the web page. Hence paragraph tag is block level element. That's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.